We are proud to announce that Draganfly, in collaboration with our value-added integrator, Infinity Communications, has successfully delivered multiple heavy-lift drone systems to a Fortune 50 telecommunications company following rigorous testing and evaluation. This deployment is part of a strategic initiative to strengthen UAV-based emergency response and communications infrastructure across the entire United States, ensuring that critical lifelines remain intact when traditional networks fail. Infinity Communications is a recognized leader in rapid emergency response deployment for critical civil public safety and military infrastructures. And together, we've demonstrated how advanced drone platforms can deliver life-saving equipment and restore communications in disaster-struck regions faster and more reliably than ever before. Draganfly's heavy-lift drone is purpose-built for high-stake operations, equipped with modular payloads for logistics, communications, and situational awareness. It provides a crucial edge in real-time disaster recovery, transporting essential supplies, and bridging communication blackouts in the most inaccessible environments. This milestone reflects our shared belief in the transformative role UAV technology can play in national resilience and crisis response. From hurricanes to wildfires to infrastructure collapse, our systems are ready to deploy where and when they're needed most. We're honored to support a Fortune 50 leader in telecommunications in building a more agile and disaster-ready future. Draganfly is proud to be working with this discerning Fortune 50 company and Infinity Communications, who, all combined, bring a field-tested expertise that continues to set the standard for emergency deployment. At Draganfly, we are committed to delivering real-world solutions that are efficient, reliable, and built for the mission, saving time, money, and lives.